17498C Xenon Flash demo. The purpose of this demonstration is to show the Max 1749C in action driving the Xenon Flash lamp assembly that has been supplied to us. As you can see here, the demo board is right here, the Max 17498C demo board, and the output capacitor is mounted on the board instead of the lamp assembly. The capacitor has been removed from the lamp assembly and has been mounted on the demonstration board. The input supply to the board is applied through the input cables from the DC power supply that is shown here, and we also have a function generator that is set up to supply the ramp reference voltage that is required for the demonstration board. Coming to the wiring to the lamp assembly, the wires for the lamp should be kept very short and should be actually twisted. In this case, the wires were cut to the size that we are showing you and then soldered onto the demonstration board. There are 3 wires that are coming from the lamp assembly. An yellow wire, actually that's the gate of the SCR, and the red and black wires that we are pointing out to, those are the output wires from the board to the lamp assembly. The demonstration board basically needs 2 signals, and one signal is a constant reference voltage signal that we show you here. In this case it is set to 0.86 volts. This serves as a reference signal to generate the SCR trigger pulse, and that is applied to the board as well. And then we showed you the ramp signal in the function generator, so that is the other input signal. With just these 2 signals, the demonstration board is actually capable of working and driving the lamp. So let's move on to show you the actual demonstration for a 75 candela rating for the lamp, and here we go. Yeah, we are adjusting the input voltage here. We're setting it to 18 volts. You can see on the oscilloscope the output voltage and input current waveform, and the period of the output voltage waveform is about 1 second. Can we adjust the time, please? And freeze it. It's set for a 200 millisecond time base, and you see roughly about 5 divisions there, so pretty close to 1 second. And you can see the lamp glowing at a 1 second time period. Basically, the function generator ramp, the peak voltage of the function generator corresponds to the maximum output voltage of the ramp for a particular candela rating. And for each candela rating, you need to adjust both the signals, the peak of the ramp on the function generator as well as the fixed reference that needs to be set for generating the SCR trigger pulse. The test report details everything very clearly, and this demonstration is just to take care of a few points that need to be observed before you power up the demo board. Thank you.